Hi there guys, it's Jay again. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to be talking about how to clean the hats properly and just different ways you can use it. So with hats, a main problem with it is dust. So dust will get just anywhere on your hats, doesn't matter the color, like black, white, blue, any color. You're always going to get dust some way, so you always got to find a way to get it out. So what we have here is a cap brush. So what you mainly just do for this is you just go around everywhere, just try to get all that dust out and just do it all over the cap. From the top, the bottom of the brim, the top of the brim, and then mainly up here where the little thing is right here. It's a hard area to get out, so just don't worry. There's like other things you can use, like for instance, you can just use a regular toothbrush like this. So how it's like, I don't know if you can see it closely, but there's a lot of dust right there in the little end. So what you do is just go in there properly. Just do it back and forth usually, and then side to side, just to try to get it all out. Keep doing that, and a clean hat you got now. And then there's this other thing called the water and stain repellent. So what this mainly does is just so your hats don't stain in any way. So this one's black, it shouldn't stain, but any like white substance, it could, it could stain it. So it's comes in a spray bottle. So all you do is you get the spray, and from a distance you just spray it like that. Spray it like that all around. And then again, you get the cap brush so you can spread it just to make sure this doesn't get stained at all when you're wearing it out and about, or just at home and you have like an accident where water or some type of substance will fall on it, and it just does that. And for stains, I'm not going to show you a demonstration because a lot of my hats are mainly always clean. Is that you can use any type of thing, which is mainly that you can use. What I mainly like to do is get some hand soap of any kind, and you just pump a little bit on the toothbrush. This is a foam soap, but a dish soap or regular hand soap would be recommended for that. And all you do is you can just dip it in the water, and then you just go around cleaning whatever needs to be cleaned. If it's a stain or just anything, but with soap it should just come off. You just scrub it to your desire, and you just let it dry, and then you just leave it like that, and then your hat will be clean. So thank you for watching today. So if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please click the link. Thank you.